Hi, this is Michelle. Today we are going to draw a cute hamburger with French fries. Let's get started. First, we choose a dark brown color and the studio pen and the inking to draw a quick draft. Let's draw the top bun first. Then some curved lines as the tomatoes. And then draw the melted cheese. Now let's add some mayonnaise below with a piece of onion. Then the big beef layer below. Next, draw a wobbly line as the lettuce. Finally, let's draw the bottom bun. Then we're gonna make some adjustments. Now let's draw a small ball of tomato sauce in front of the burger. Next, we're gonna draw a bunch of randomly placed cuboids as the French fries behind the burger. Tap the selection tool and choose the freehand mode. Use the pencil to circle the French fries. Then tap the move tool to change the size of it. Now we're gonna draw a small piece of tablecloth under the food. Then we're gonna make some adjustments. Then let's draw a hungry emoji for the burger. Now let's create a new layer down below the draft layer and tap 2 fingers on the draft layer to change the opacity to around 30%. Then we can easily draw the final lines based on the draft. If you want to draw a perfect lines easily, just hold your pen after drawing. Then a smooth line will directly come out. You can also tap the button on top to re-edit the shape after drawing. Now let's color our burger and French fries. First, give our background a light pink color, and then use the light orange to draw the sesame on top. Then draw the cheeks with orange color. Next, create a new layer below and choose a light orange to paint the bun. You can directly drag the color into the outlines to fill it. Make sure paint different parts on different layers, which will help you to draw more shadows easily later. Now paint different layers of the burger one by one. Next, paint the tomato sauce and the French fries. Next, let's paint the tablecloths. Then create a new layer on top of the tablecloth layer and change it to the clipping mask. Use light orange color to draw some pattern on it. Okay, now let's draw the shadow. Create a new layer on top of the base layer and change it to clipping mask. Then tap the leather end on the layer to change the blend mode to multiply. Choose the same color with the base layer to paint the shadow. We assume that the light comes from the upper left corner, so all the shadows should be in the lower right corner. After painting, decrease the opacity to make the shadow look soft. And we will use the same method for all the other shadows, so I will speed it up here. Finally, let's draw some highlights. Create a new layer on top and use the white color to draw the highlight for the veggies and the sauce. Then we are done for the cute burger drawing. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. See you next time!